Oh, that's just me. Hey guys, it's Arcade, and today we are going to make scary music. Yeah, we're gonna turn the emotion of fear into an orchestral piece. So whatever I think fear would sound like, that's what we're gonna create as music. Also, this video is brought to you by I, and they gave me their new TMA2 Studio Wireless headphones. These are made specifically for producers, so I'm gonna talk a little bit more about them later. But also, I'm gonna produce the whole song wearing these. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by creating some sort of a composition. So I'm gonna go with piano at first, and we're gonna play something and hopefully come up with something that sounds relatively scary. That being said, this is right off the bat where these headphones shine because they have no delay. That's right. So that's my favorite thing about these headphones, that I can actually play the piano without a cable and have no delay on it, so I can play properly. We're gonna play something, hopefully it's good. And of course, on the piano, it's not that scary yet. So I think it's gonna become scarier when we add different instruments. I think I'm gonna use the step sequencing to lay out the chords in an easy way. So you just select step editing mode, and then every time you press the keys at once, it's gonna put them in the piano roll. Okay, I think that's it, really simple. And of course, we're gonna add the melody in piano roll. It's gonna be easier. So we're gonna expand it like so, probably more, like so. Oh, I forgot about, okay, so expand them as well. I'm holding the Alt key here, so it snaps to the grid. Otherwise, it would just be all over, but with the Alt key, it snaps right away. Okay, we're also gonna double up on the piano, or actually 4 times like this. But delete the melody altogether and add it in manually, like so. Oh yeah, this also needs to be. And how was the end? So far so good, but we of course need different sounds than the piano to make it more scary. So that's what we're gonna start with. So I'm gonna open Contact and let's just go through some sounds, see what hits us. For example, these are completely free, and I just sort of wanna test different sounds. Yeah, this is like a scary effect. We're gonna start with the drum and this. Okay, let's keep that in, but we're gonna take the composition and we're gonna put it in a new contact. And let's see these weird instruments. Okay, that's scary. How does that sound with the thing? It's not gonna be good. Weird plugin, weird library, but okay, I like it. Playing with some toys here, and I don't know what's happening. What if we like put so much reverb on it, sort of gets lost? Like Super VHS maybe even. Okay, I know this is probably not what you had in mind for a scary song, but bear with me, I think we can do something with this. At least like an intro. Yeah, I don't like this. You can do a drum like this. Sort of like a heartbeat, but a broken one. Right off the bat, I do have an idea. Yeah, this is sort of nice. Okay, this is a lot. Okay, the melody needs to go here. Okay, we need a better impact on the beginning. So, Kashmir's back. Okay, so let's start like this. Okay, we can start with tremolo only, right? And can we somehow adjust it as we go? Oh yeah,
can totally adjust the modulation wheel, so the dynamics of it. So to do that, go to Browse Parameters, scroll down until you find these grayed out ones and find modulation wheel at the top here. Create automation clip and it's gonna slowly rise up.
Okay, so let me talk a bit more about our sponsor here, who gave me these headphones. What I love most about these is that they have ultra low latency and lossless audio, while still being wireless, so it's great when you want to play the piano or produce music, so there is no delay. You just plug in this wireless transmitter into your audio interface or your laptop or whatever you want to use. It has the aux cable, and then the headphones pair up with it, and you can hear everything with lossless quality and no delay. But if you just want to listen to some music, they do also have Bluetooth mode, which works as you would expect. The sound on the headphones is very balanced, very clean, so it's great for music production, but also for listening to music in general. Also, I had these for like a month and I still didn't need to charge them, so the battery life is very good. If you wanna check these out, if you want wireless headphones for music production, you're gonna love these. So if you want more information, check out the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Okay, now I like this better. We can just keep the effects on this weird sound, but pretty much no melody, it's just like an effect. Okay. Yes, and we are building some tension with the fear. I like it. By the way, these headphones are really comfortable. I just realized I have them on. I was like, oh, I'm wearing headphones. Okay, we need to add another effect here, so to make it even more intense. So we are just building this up. So one thing we can do is add another tremolo. I don't know how this is gonna sound, but do the high tremolo. And add that in as well. Last repetition. What if we put it on a separate channel? We do put Super VHS on it again and increase the drift. You see, it's even more like pitch bendy. So the pitch goes up and down and it creates even a more chaotic, scary feeling. But we also need to automate this modulation wheel as well. And there we go. Okay, I like that. And we need a sweep. It doesn't have to be all orchestral sounds, of course. We can play around with different sounds and effects. Okay, this one is sort of scary. This horn. We are playing with some weird sounds here. And I'm gonna put like a lot of reverb on it. I love these sounds. They are so epic. So this is F sharp. We want to have it on D. So we're going to pitch it down 400. You just count the keys on your keyboard. Okay. What now? Okay, I think I got it. We're going to add in the melody, but in like a really high key. And we need to find a proper piano sound for that. I think I'm going to go to Nexus, actually. It has some interesting pianos. Okay. And it's gonna be like low. Okay, let's try it. Maybe like that. Okay, one more experiment here. We're gonna go to the contact again and just purely the melody.
Okay, could we add like a little arpeggio layer? Maybe this atmosphere. So we want it to be a D. Okay, let's lower the volume. Okay, I think we want to make a build-up here again. I think that's sort of what fear is about, you know, it's just creating this tension, and then we can maybe release it. But now, let's put another riser in there. A scary sweep. Okay, we could go with that sweep. We can put some reverb on it as well, so it sort of diffuses when it ends. You know, it doesn't like end abruptly, but it's like that. And also, let's do smooth bleeding, and then we're not gonna have that pop at the end. Okay, we cannot hear this, but I wanna hear it, so we're gonna layer it with another sound, make it louder. I also wanna automate the modulation wheel. So we're gonna browse all parameters, edit events, then go back to our sound and find it here. Modulation wheel, just do the classic thing. So it's more realistic. I like that ending. Okay, we need to make this transition work now. Okay, I have an idea, but not sure if it's gonna be a good idea. I wanna do like a low note here. Oh yeah. Okay, and maybe we layer the melody with another sound as well. Maybe these strings. Less reverb. Okay, I sort of I sort of like the lower layer, but I don't want the melody to be with that. So we're gonna once again clone this, put the melody in here, and let's try to find another sound. Oh, Glockenspiel. That's actually a cool one for like scary stuff. That's like a Halloween type of scary, but it still might work. Could we do the delay thing? Okay, I think I like the little delay, but we're gonna put a whole bunch of effects on this as well, like reverb. And let's try again the drift. This plugin is surprisingly good for scary stuff because like making the pitch deviate a bit sort of creates this uneasy feeling, which is sort of scary. Okay, one more up sweep. And let's end it with like a bass drop, sub drops. Let's also try to find another effect to end it with. These are cool. Let's try to implement them. Yeah, that works, that works. That will be the ending there, but maybe also include the brass. Now, let's add some colors to this. So it's scary, so we have to go with gray. And we're gonna do like brown, because fear is brown. So let's have a listen. It's mostly a lot of tension building up and then being released and then building up again. We didn't need to do too much composition. We mostly just played around with the effects and different sounds. And here is the finished result. Enjoy. that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't be scared, it's just music. Also, if you want wireless headphones for music production, check out our sponsor, link below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.